So yun guys, tatanungin natin ng mga content creators dito sa loob ng mansion kung anong mga of course ay mga content creator nila. Let's go!
I am a content creator, of course. Lagi kaming nagla-live.
Course, I am a content creator kasi tignan mo naman, no? Dami kong dalang pagkain, puyat, ganon. Tapos kakain na gutom kasi daming ginagawa, ganon. Dami deliverables, yun lang.
I'm a content creator. Of course, marami nagpapadala sa amin ng pagkain. Lalo na sa mga fanikit kaber. Ay, may nagpadala ng kape. Oh, kape, bigyan ng fanikit kaber.
Of course, I'm a content creator because nakatutok pa rin sa live selling. Magto 2 hours na. Antok na ako pero kinikerry ko pa.
Of course, I'm a content creator because I can do everything. Remember, I'm the jack of all trades.
I'm a content creator kasi pumasok ako dito para magmaganda lang. Pero alam mo ba kung anong pinagdaanan ko?
Of course, I'm content creator na kumakain ng only ice cream dito. Huy! Umaga, tanghali, gabi, ice cream kasi ang sarap talaga ng dalaw spread.
Of course, from singer, naging komedyante.
I'm a content creator. Of course, iba't ibang content ang aming ginagawa.
I'm a content creator, of course! Nandito ako sa The House of Collab Season 7, kaya, ayun!
I'm a content creator, kaya sasaktan ko kayo.
I'm a content creator because main course.
Of course, as a content creator, hindi magpapatalo.
Of course, I'm a content creator. Araw-araw kami nag-challenge dito sa mansion.
Of course, content creator ako kasi marami akong content creator. Nakasama.
Ito palagi nakaharap sa live. Any content, kaya natin yan.
Of course, I'm a content creator. Nagtatrabaho kami halos 24 hours.
Of course, I'm a content creator because I love doing what I do right now because content creator basically it's more like parang ikaw na yung production tsaka direction. Ikaw na yung production, ikaw na yung director, tsaka ikaw na yung artista at the same time. It's more of creating content as a package. So parang nag-grow ako sa mga creativity, mga ganung bagay. So, of course, I'm a content creator.
Of course, I'm a content creator kaya lagi akong may dalang charger kasi lagi akong lobat.
So anong masasabi mo sa mga content creators ng The House of Collab Season 7?
Oh, ready talagang yan ang pagiging content creator. Dapat you have everything. You have mic and mga equipment. I would say that most of you guys are still new in being content creators. You still have a lot to learn. But that's a good thing. You just have to absorb everything. Because for me, you don't have to be great to start something, but you need to start somewhere and something in order for you to be great.